Hey everyone, what if I told you there's a stock trading strategy that can guarantee maximum profit? Today we are solving LeetCode 122, best time to buy and sell stock, where you can trade as many times as you want. Unlike the first version where you could only make one transaction, here you can buy and sell multiple times. So we are given a prices input array where each element uh, represents the price of the stock on that particular day. So on day one it is $7, on day two it's $1, and so on and so forth. So to make the maximum profit, we'll buy it on day two, when the price is $1, and sell it on day three when the price is $5. So total, we have made a profit of $4 in this one transaction. As I mentioned before, we can do multiple transactions, but the buying for the subsequent transaction, the buying date for the subsequent transaction has to be past the selling date of the previous transaction. So we cannot buy stock again on day 5. We'll buy it on day 4. We cannot buy the stock again on day 3, but we'll buy it on day 4 and sell it again on day 5. Here, with our second transaction, we made a profit of $3. So the total profit we made from both the transactions is $7. Here is a little visual representation of what we just now discussed. We buy the stock on day 2 and sell it on day 5. Buy it on day 3, sell it on day 5. Sorry. I might have gotten my days mixed up. I said buy on day 2 and sell it on day 3. Buy it again on day 4 and sell it on day 5. So let's jump into coding. We already have our main class, our best time to buy and sell stock class setup. We have the main thread with some of the test cases which are not important over here. We're going to use a slightly different strategy than what's the best. Here we are going to go over a little intuitive way of solving this. That is, we'll create 2 pointers, left and right. Initially, they're going to be on the same day. They're going to be on day 1 and day 2. So don't get the index confused here. This is buying day 1. And this is selling day. And one thing we want is profit. So that's what we are returning from here. So max profit. Initially it's 0, and we return max profit from here. We need to make sure that we do not run out of bound. So when our selling day goes past the length of the prices, we will exit out of this while loop. All right, let's go back. So we need to make sure that we have the left index pointing over here and the right index pointing over here. If our right index goes past the length of this prices array, that means we cannot sell the stock. We can still buy the stock on day 4, but we are just going to end up holding onto it. We are not going to sell it, and the goal is to make profit. So that's where this condition ends. We also need to make sure that we always make profit. So when the difference between prices on the day of selling, which is this, the right pointer, is greater than the left pointer. This is day 2 for the first case, and this is day 1. We are taking the difference of it. So let's call this current profit. We know this is going to be profit because the price on the selling day on the right is greater than the price when we bought the stock. So let's take a difference of it. And what do we want to do? We want to add this to the maximum profit. So our max profit is our max profit plus current profit. And that's about it. Then what are we going to do next? We are going to increment our day pointer, the buying day pointer and the selling day pointer by one. And that's about it. Let's play it and see what happens. Okay, here we go. We have some test failures over here. Expected 4 return 0. Expected 0. Okay, why are we getting 0 all the time? Oh, I see. Maximum profit. Okay, it's all 0. Got the current profit, which is prices of right minus prices of left. And we are incrementing the left pointer by 1, and we are incrementing the right pointer by 1. Oh, we need to make sure our right pointer is less than prices of length. Okay, let's run it again. Let's clean this up. And let's run it again. Okay, this is looking good. Buying maximum profit is matching what we are expecting over here. Max profit 7, expected 7. That's good. All right. That's it. It's pretty simple. The number of lines to code it is very very small. Again, this is not the best approach, but this is a two-pointer approach. Something I felt is more intuitive to solve the problem. We will solve this problem again in our next video with the best approach, which is in this case is called the greedy approach. Yep. No two pointers needed. That's it. Thanks everyone.